So let's get started with an Ubersuggest account. If you have one already, simply sign in, or if you don't, navigate to neelpatel.com/Ubersuggest and register for a free account. I have a basic pro account for one website, but feel free to continue using a free account. That's totally alright and understandable if you don't want to commit right now. If you want to go in for a premium plan right away, this is the best part about Ubersuggest, the fact that it offers a lifetime account, and that's really affordable. If you compare it to the other SEO tools that have similar features, this is totally affordable. It's an investment that will really pay off. Ubersuggest also has this really nice pricing model wherein you can buy add-ons for only $5 a month. So say for example, if you have new team members who are going to join your team, you can simply choose to pick up an add-on for additional users, and when you no longer need it, you can simply cancel it. That way you don't have to keep upgrading to a higher plan just because you need some features for a small period of time. So now that you've signed up for an account, the first screen that you will see is this one, where Ubersuggest prompts you to create your own project. Creating a project simply means adding your website so that you can track the keywords, you can see more accurate data if you connect it to Google search and Google Analytics. So let's start by typing in a website. And let's see what comes up. It asks you to select your language. Now, if you're interested primarily in a particular country, you can select the country, or you can choose to add more. The most basic plan, I believe, allows you to add only one location. For now, I'm just going to add United States because that's the one I'm actually interested in. If your website is already ranking for certain keywords, Ubersuggest is nice enough to prompt you with those. If there are any other keywords that you have in mind, you can add them here. I will be covering keyword research and how to select your keywords later in this course, of course. So for now, I'm just going to randomly click some and move on. Again, competitors. So if you know competitors, you can just put them in for now. But this is again going to be something that we'll cover later in the course. And this is a prompt from Ubersuggest to ask you if you need help from the digital agency that Neel Patel runs. I'm going to say no for that. That's it. And like it says, it's going to take you a bit for all the data to come in. Yeah. And should you choose to connect it to your Google Search Console and Google Analytics, you'll be able to see more accurate data. And I strongly suggest you do that.